Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a shortcut for the run command on your Windows 10 desktop. Let's get started. Step 1. Type Run in the Start menu search box. This will bring up the Run app in the search results. Step 2. Right-click on the Run app and select Open File Location. This action will take you directly to the path of the Run program. Step 3. Now right-click on the Run program, and from the context menu, select Send to, and then choose Desktop, Create Shortcut. This simple action will instantly create a Run shortcut on your desktop. And that's it. You have successfully created a shortcut for the Run command on your Windows 10 desktop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.